Welcome to Art of Sales. I am Raman Baba. How can one create a sales pipeline through which, when you open a tap, your prospects start flowing in one by one? Which means having in hand a chain of prospects, each one of whom you meet and can turn into your clientele. The very first step is to identify organizations you are hoping to target. I know this is a complex dilemma that leaves all of us foxed. Where does one start? Well, you can start by exploring sources like Google and other search portals, which will give you an idea about kind of companies there are. Then comes the question, who do you approach in these companies? Explore sources like LinkedIn or local networking sites. Find out people who work there. Prepare a list containing organizations you wish to focus on and names of people you wish to connect with in these corporates. For example, if you want to connect with someone from HR in a corporate, you should have name of person who works in HR. Or if you want to connect with someone in finance or admin, your list should be able to guide you who to connect with in finance or admin. This will bring you to person you wish to target in order to establish communication with particular organization. Now repeat this process for others and keep on going. Do not stop exploring. You may also explore references through your existing acquaintances in the industry you belong to. You may also try cold calling in bold lines of these corporates and request to be connected with the person concerned. While this may not work in all cases, but you might be able to get in touch with few. Send your proposal in an email to your contact person. Wait for their response. If you have their phone numbers, try calling them after 3-4 days. If you don't have their phone numbers, then send your proposals once again and continue waiting for their response. And keep on repeating this process till you get to hear from them. Examine your data and see how many calls you have made. Now examine how many calls have successfully turned into meetings and how many meetings have been converted into closures. Do not stop at any point. Keep on repeating this exercise. Even if you have full week of meetings, continue calling new prospects for more meetings. This is essential as all meetings may not fall through. Continue working persistently without any self-doubt regarding the same. Keep on repeating and repeating and repeating this process again and again. After a while, you will no doubt see an inflow of calls. And this will create a pipeline of potential clients whom you can meet and conduct your sales with. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, share it and subscribe to Being in Tele YouTube channel.